It's your girl, Princess Quasiaa, and I'm back again with another video. Today is going to be a cooking with Princess Quasiaa. Actually, I just came up with this video last minute because if you watch my Snapchat or Instagram, I was on live cooking shrimp grits and gravy, and I thought of the idea then. So tonight we is eating Philly steak and cheese. That's because that's what my brother wanted. So I'm just cooking that for them, cause I want a whole meal, not just no Philly steak. But yeah, that's something simple that they wanted. So I'm about to cook it for y'all, and for them, and I'm gonna take y'all along with me, cause I need to post videos a lot to get my views up. So yeah, stay tuned and watch me cook. It's not gonna take that long, and this time I'm sitting down because if you didn't know, my knee is killing me. It's in so much pain, so I'm sitting down this time. But y'all could watch me cut these stink onions and bell peppers up. But yeah, that's what we cooking. Ain't gonna take long. It shouldn't even take an hour. But yeah, I'm about to go ahead and get to that, okay? Y'all, okay, so y'all, I'm done with cutting the bell peppers. I was gonna cut the onions, but my brother said he gonna do it, so that's fine with me. I ain't gotta worry about my eyes burning. But I'm about to wash my hands and let him know I'm done, so he could chop these onions up real quick, and I could hurry up and cook this, cause I'm really ready to sit down, or really lay down, cause my knee is in so much pain. But really, while I'm cooking, I'm probably about to be talking to y'all about something, because I don't want it to be boring. Y'all just watch me cooking like, dang, she barely talking, like. But yeah, I gotta get better with this YouTube thing, because if you know me in person, I'm quiet. Until you get to know me, then I'm alright. I ain't all over the place and wild and stuff. But yeah, I'm about to wash my hands and call my brother so he could then go and do these onions. But yeah, I'll be back with y'all in a minute. Okay. Boom, I told y'all I was coming back. But okay, the onions is done. They chopped up, so basically I'm about to put both of them in a pan and let them cook down, and then it's easy and simple from there. But yeah, let me go ahead and put this onions and bell peppers on, because these onions is strong and burning my eyes a little bit. Okay. Y'all, so basically, look at them. You're looking real pretty right now, but I got to let it cook down. Cook them down. You gotta let it cook down. Why I do that? You put a lid on them. And just wait. And I'm gonna show y'all when they get a little dark. Woo. Y'all, so I'm back. My knee is in pain, so I keep sitting down. At this point, I need some type of help, because this ain't gonna cut it. But yeah, the vegetables and stuff is done. I gotta cook the meat. It ain't gonna take nothing but a second. But I want to toast my, well, put my bread in the oven, so I'm gonna do mine different from theirs. They gonna stay on food because I'm tired. I cook, that's good enough. Fix your own shit. But yeah, basically, I'm about to then go do that. And I'm gonna show y'all mine's when it's done. So yeah, let me hurry up because I'm dang on hurting. Like, okay. Let me and finish doing this real quick. The meat and the vegetables are in together. So now I'm about to add cheese in. And then it's gonna be go time. And it's going to be go time. Hey. I'm dropping cheese. I'm doing this with one hand. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all when I get finished. That jive milk down, then after that it's gonna be cheesy. But the cheese is in. I gotta show y'all what I'm doing. So now, wait. Oh, I'm gonna eat. Y'all like my shoes? Hold on. So basically, I put mayonnaise and mustard these. I'm gonna put cheese and then I'm gonna put the meat on top and put it in the oven. Let it bake. Excuse the regular bread because they didn't have any Philly steak buns, so I'm about to have to improvise when you got hot dog buns. And them buns, you know, different, small compared to the buns. So it's still not be good. It's still, you know, eatable, good to eat. So that's all that matters. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all mine when I get done. Yeah, so this the aftermath. I'm upset that we didn't have the Philly steak buns that come with it. But I'm about to eat like 4, basically, because it's cheesy and stuff, and it's the bread hard like I wanted it, a little hard stuff, but I'm about to bust. Ooh, so I'm done cooking, and it was good, but that's the end of the video. I hope y'all liked it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Until the next time.